Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. I have a camera person today. Alex is sleeping. God only knows why. Amy's worked all night, so she's still in bed. Do I want to announce our camera person today?
Probably. Hi, it's me.
This is Kaya. So today we're making chicken noodle chowder. Chowder, you say? What the heck is chicken noodle chowder? Well, I don't like soup. Goes right through me. Chowders are alright. I like this. So I've already boiled some chicken because I like to leave my chicken cooked before I put it in the slow cooker. So I'm just going to put, and this is just 2 chicken breasts. If you want to use chicken thighs, those work. I would not use wings because you're not going to get any meat on it. It's just not that good. Instead, I would highly recommend either breast or thighs. Boneless, please. This is 1 super large carrot. And then I've got 1 yellow onion. And then I've got quite a bit of celery, but I don't think I'm going to use it all because it's not going to be needed. I can make salad later. And then I've got about 4 large potatoes, and I don't think I'm going to use them all either. But that's all right. We've got uses for them. So it's not like it's going to go to waste. No, I use most, so that's all right. All right, I'm not going to spice this crazily. I'm really not. All I'm going to do is put a bit of tagine in here. Some fresh ground black pepper. If you don't have fresh ground pepper, get it. It's way better than the regular table shaker ones because these honestly do have flavor. It adds a little bit of spice to it. Not Kaya's type of spice. Kaya's from India. She knows spice. She's good with spice. I'm not. Amy, on the other hand, Chef Amy and Alex, they like their spice. I can't handle it anymore. But it's not the same thing, but it does give a little bit of a kick to it, and it is much more tasty. Then I'm going to add a little bit of low salt. You want to have a little bit of salt, but you don't want to use real salt. Why? Because real salt is really not that good. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of flour. And you're going to ask, why am I going to use 2 spoons of flour? Well, it's going to help thicken it out. And you want this to be a little thicker than not, because it's not soup, it's chowder. So I'm going to take my spoon here, and I'm just going to give this a little rough mix. It doesn't have to be coated like crazy. You could add some green pepper to this. You can add some corn to this if you want. For the size of this slow cooker, I think this is kind of good enough. Chicken, you could have fried this up if you wanted to, or you could bake it. You can put some barbecue sauce on. I didn't really want to. Then I'm using 30% less sodium stock. Some of you young people, you don't have to worry about this. It's not going to be the worst thing in the world for you. However, you do want to control what you use because later on in life, it's going to make a difference. And today's the first day of filming. We haven't had a bunch of cats trying to get in camera. If you could come here, it'd be like a small little cat farm. They're all super friendly. I promise you they are. They like to cuddle. They like attention. You want to give this its time. Tends to be a little bit of pain coming out, and I do realize that. All right, so I've got enough of that in there now. So now I'm going to add some noodles, and I'm just using what we have at home, right? This is not enough to do a full-on noodle dish, but it's enough of this. This macaroni noodles. And then I'm going to use up the rest of this, because, again, substance, right? You want to have a little bit of flavor to this, but you want to feel like you're full, not like you need like the whole thing. I want to be able to share this with everybody, be able to enjoy it, and not feel like they need to eat like 4 or 5 meals. So you need something. Okay, that's good enough. One thing I didn't bring out, which is really important, is the milk. Which is going to make Kaya happy because we don't drink milk. But I will use it in chowder. But that's about the only time I will. But she does drink it, we don't. So whatever is not used in here, she can use. Because we're not going to. So I just got 1 liter of 2%. I'm only going to use about half of it. That's about half of it. And then you see another thing here, so I'm just going to throw this in here, and this should pretty much be it. This is a really easy recipe to make. It's not hard. It doesn't take very long. The worst of it is taking your veggies and cutting them. That's it. You can throw your chicken, even if it's frozen, just boil it. That's all you have to do, just boil it. Finally, it takes forever. If you have frozen chicken you want to use it, just boil it. Don't put anything else in it, just water and just boil it until it's cooked. Take it out, then you can spice it, and you can do whatever you want with it. Now you're just going to give it a little bit more of a mix because you do want to make sure everything assimilates. It's not going to make it thick, but it will make it a little thick. And you know what? I don't know that I feel too comfortable right in a second, so I'm going to add maybe another 2 things of flour. Flour's cheap. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook this on low for 6 hours. This is one of these things, you go to work in the morning, just throw this together and then go. Don't worry about it, don't even think about it. You come home, you'll smell this when you walk in the door, and it's ready to eat without having to make a big meal. Because you can cook this in the stove if you want to, but it's going to require more work. Slow cooker is so easy. Just want to mix this up just a little bit, don't have to do a whole lot. And that's it. Put the cover on, and we're just going to put this on low, and we're just going to let this sit for 6 hours. That's it, 6 hours. And it's going to be good. Don't think we have to worry about the catch here, because I don't think they're going to like this. They like chicken, but they don't smell that, I don't think. And that's it. So we'll be back in approximately 6 hours, and we'll show you what we look like. Welcome back. So now we got Alex.
Hello.
And we got Amy. Both
Hi.
decided to wake up. One had to work last night, one had to work on his PlayStation. So we got our chicken noodle chowder. It's not exactly been 6 hours, but it's been enough. I tested it. It looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, it looks good.
It does look really good.
It does. I'm just going to give Amy a little bite here. This is going to be our meal for the week, so whether I eat it or not is a whole other story. Amy looks like she'll kill me if I try, so
No.
Amy's not going to share tonight, I don't think.
Yes, I am. That looks really good, though.
It does. So, I mean, past that, you might want to put a little bit of pepper in it, but that's about it. It should be good to go the way it is. How's that look, Amy?
Really good.
I think it looks really good too.
Yeah.
Amy?
Try it. I'll be careful because it's hot. Mmm.
So,
Yeah, that's really good.
yep. So, try it with a little bit of veggies and chicken, please.
All right. I still want to burn my mouth.
Burn your mouth. Burn your mouth. When you're eating something
It's
like
really
this,
hot. It's steaming.
you have to really be careful because you will burn your mouth.
Yeah.
So as she's doing that, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Join us on www.poulskitchen.com for all recipes and our cookbooks. What do you think, Amy?
Really good.
Is that good? Good enough for you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. And like we always say, try to cook your own. Let's make cooking great again. That's the truth. It's so true.